Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to copy stitch designs to Figma. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, I would like for you to log into both Figma and Stitch, okay? Now, once that's done under Figma, all you got to do is open up a new project or an existing project. It's up to you. Okay, just find the Figma icon. Now go ahead over to plugins and manage plugins. Click on it and find Stitch to Figma Converter, or just Stitch to Figma right here. So you gotta want to click on it. Now hit on Run right here. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, as you can see here, when we click on Browse Files, it now needs a zip file or an HTML code. Okay. Also the target platform. For example, your design from Stitch is for mobile. Well, go ahead and select mobile. So I'm just going to go ahead and select web right here. Adjust the viewport size if you want to. The import source, you could go ahead and use HTML or just a zip file. Now, where do we get it? Go to your Stitch account and the project. If you want to download the whole project, you can go ahead and navigate to the three horizontal lines and then just download the project. If you just want to transfer or copy one page, for example, this one, well, go ahead over to More and just download. All right. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, save it wherever you want. Now we have the zip file. Now go back to Figma, select the zip file right here, click to browse, navigate to where you saved the zip file, click on it, make sure that it is highlighted, and on open, wait for it to load. And once it loads, you'll be able to see a preview. Okay. As you can see here. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and check the preview image. As you can see, it's basically the same. All right. Now, if you have multiple pages, you can select Add All or just Add Selected Pages. Now, go ahead and click on one of these options, Add. And if you want to, you could go ahead and include preview images. For example, you have your page right here, working page, and besides it, there'll be a preview. If you don't want to include it, untick it, hit on Add One Screen to Figma. All right, as you can see here, it's loading. It's doing its magic in the background. All right, it says success. Click on OK. You can now go ahead and close this plugin. And here we have it. And that is how you copy Stitch designs to Figma. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.